What we provide to our clients is this ability to turn traditional pumps into smart, connected and even context-aware assets. And we do that by installing a sensor that takes high definition, high accuracy, high frequency electrical data and turns it into information about the condition, performance and energy efficiency of those pumps. We install a sensor inside the motor control cabinet. We continuously measure and monitor electrical data, and then when there's a failure, we will send an alert to our clients so that they can, schedule inspections or replacements well before the pump fails. What we also do is show where and how energy can be saved. It's about showing both energy consumption, it's showing the potential of optimizing either the pump or how it operates, and really providing that as an actionable report to our clients without compromising performance, obviously essential in most water utilities.